Hi guys, car enthusiast here, and today I'm back here to talk about the 2021 BMW M4. And today I'm here to help you guys find out if you want to buy this car. So yeah, let's start on, man. So we want to start with the specs. Before we go on to the pictures and all this stuff, we start with the specs and news, obviously. So yeah. So let me just read out this paragraph for you guys. He admitted that there will be more special edition models above the regular M4. We will do more, he told Car Magazine. And by the way, I'm gonna leave this link in the description. All the links here in the description, except this one, yeah. All those in the description. We will do more, he told Car Magazine. You saw the GTS version of the M4 and the CS of the M3 and M4. This is what we call the Zander model. We will do more on this side. This means special edition. We will think about extending it just beyond cubes. Sounds like we could expect some soft top M4 CS models too. Ooh, CS, right? Looks like Mercedes AMG C63 and RS4 models are going to face a new challenge in the next 12 months. Okay. Okay, so that was all about the thingies. BMW has been promising that the M3/4 will go back to its roots with the manual gearbox, and yes, it's got a manual. It's a stick with a manual gearbox and a rear wheel drive only option named Pure. You know, the stick is, yeah, we need that. This back to chassis model will have a bespoke front and rear apron and a touchless power, as BMW doesn't have a manual box available to handle the M4's full shaft. Okay. Wait, what? New BMW M4 powered by a twin turbo straight six. Okay. Although the numbers and wardrobe are now diverging more than ever, the M4 is basically just a two-door version of the upcoming M3, which okay. But I don't care, it's still an M4. Will be powered by a 3.3 liter straight 6 V6. Is it? Okay, they're moving from the 4-cylinder to the V6, to a straight 6. The new performance derivative of the B58 is already made its debut on the X3 and X4, a sign of the times the SUVs get the sweet engine before the coupes. Yes, probably. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the specs, probably. Or should we get some pictures first? Okay, this is the new car. From this perspective, you think to yourself, okay, it's just a normal M4. The grill is fine, everything's fine. But actually, it's not. Wait till you see a perfect picture of this. But okay, I won't eat on this. I like this car, man. I just like this car. Look at the back. Still keeping those metal exhaust, I can call it, manifolds. I like those new lights, the Mercedes, what do you call these lights again? For me, here at the back, it looks like the M850 or the M8 Comp, whatever yeah. Okay, let's talk about the interior for a second. Okay, the interior. This doesn't look like it belongs in an M4, by the way. But okay, what can we say? This is not going to be the final product, They've hidden the stock shift. We already know it's a stock shift. A stick shift, I mean. I like this car. I think. So are those all the pictures? Yeah, they're all the pictures. So okay, let's move on to the specs of this car. So I have to read all of this. The new BMW M4 will go on sale next year. Okay, to be powered by a 503 brake horsepower 3 liter straight 6 petrol engine. Okay. So we're not getting a diesel engine. Okay. BMW is preparing a new M4 for 2021, coming in both coupe and cabriolet body styles, where it will offer fresh competition for the AMG C63 and the RS5. Okay, the M4 is stepping it up. It doesn't compete with but I feel like the M4 is going to be demolishing the C63. That's what I feel like. Cosmetically, the BMW M4 will receive some makeovers as the standard 4 Series, with a pair of enormous kidney grills, sharp LED headlamps, and a reshaped front bumper. BMW's M division will also fit their unusual selection of design tweaking, adding flared wheel arches, wider side skirt, and more aggressive front splitter. There will be a deeper diffuser at the rear end too, which houses a new quad exit exhaust system, and the whole car will sit lower to the ground. Okay. On larger alloy wheels shod in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Okay, unlike the previous generation model, the convertible variant will also ditch its folding metal. Not folding metal. Oh, the roof, the roof. Hardtop is a favor of the fabric roof to help keep weight to a minimum. Inside, we expect to find a pair of sports seats, a new sports steering wheel, and the same 10.2-inch iDrive infotainment system, the 12.3-inch digital instrument binnacle found on the recently revised Downforce series, albeit with unique M-branded graphics. So, I've got to admit, the rear end of this car is just nice. I don't know. The rear end is just nice. The front, we're gonna get to the front. Let's not rush it. New BMW M4 engines and drivetrain, like its chassis sibling. The upcoming 6th generation M3, the new M4 will feature a turbocharged 3.0-liter straight-six petrol engine. However, it won't be the same S55 engine that was used by the previous generation model, with BMW electing its all-new X58 unit, which already powers the X3M and the X4M. People, the X4M. So if you want to see my review on the X4M, the X4M competition, click. And that's somebody with his M4, the previous generation M4. Okay, as I was saying, if you want to see the X4 model, don't ask how I know, man. Don't ask that. If you want to see the previous generation, not the X4 review, make sure you click up on the right hand corner. European buyers will be offered a choice. You see, European buyers, because they're next to Germany. They got Germany. Oh, Germany is part of Europe. They lucky, man. They get these cars first. Will be offered a choice of 2 engine outputs, but the rest of the BMW M badge lineup, UK customers will be only offered the more potent competition variant. Okay. The entry level will produce 473 brake horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. That's not bad, actually. That's not bad. That's the base model, right? It will come with the 6-speed manual. Yes, manual. As standard, the flagship M4 competition will have an output of 503 brake horsepower and an identical 600 Newton meters of torque. It will be available with an 8-speed automatic. Why? Gearbox, which is somewhat usually for a performance car, won't use a dual clutch mechanism. Why? Okay. BMW has opted for a traditional torque converter setup. Okay. We're not yet to receive specific details on the car's chassis technology, but during our recent pre-production drive, they go to drive the car. BMW's M development manager Dirk Heiker hinted, I know I butchered that one, boys. I know I butchered it. That it will receive a stiffener front axle, new electronically controlled dampeners, and a locking rear differential, along with a set of larger brake discs, not disc brakes. From the launch, the M4 competition will be rear-wheel drive only. Rear-wheel drive, hey? Are we able to drift? Of course. We're gonna be sliding all over with this car. When pressed about the new drivetrain hacker, I'm just gonna call him hacker, but I feel like it's hacker. Said an MX drive is coming, but only later. Okay. When the four-wheel drive model does arrive, though its architecture should be similar to the selectable system found in the new M5. Oof, these dogs. Giving drivers the option of spending up to 100% of the engine's power, up to 100% of the engine's power to their rear wheels. We gonna be drifting. Okay, the prices. Perfect. The new 2021 BMW M4 price. Prices of the new BMW M4 are yet to be confirmed. By its four-door sibling, the M3 is expected to start from. I didn't ask for the M3, but okay, let's just put the M3 price. It's expected to start from around 76,000 euros, and that's roughly 7,500 gulf between the standard 3 and 4 series that should be put in the next in the new M4 starting price around 83,000. What? BMW? Are you for real right now? Let's just go through some pictures. So this might be expected to start from 83,000 euros. The interior looks cool. Is that what you call it? What do you call that? Ambient lighting, I see. I think the new M4 is getting ambient lighting, boys. We're getting ambient lighting. Okay, ceramics and what do you call those again? I forgot. I'm blumming stupid, I know. These are all the same pictures. Okay, let's move on and see pictures from here then. You see what I was saying? The grill people, the grill. But you know what? It's not that bad now. I can survive with this grill. I like the color though, and those laser lights. BMW. I don't know what's up with BMW going with the larger grills. What's up, BMW? Just tell us, man. Look. Okay. Okay, what's up? Is that an ad? Okay, thank you. If you want to read these articles for yourself, I'm going to leave them in the description, so yeah. Okay. We've got vents on the side, and they look, I won't say horrible, but I don't know. Just look at this. BMW, what's up? What's up, BMW? With this, it doesn't look that bad, but yeah, okay. So, the interior. Why is the steering wheel facing up? Huh. That's so weird. Isn't that how a truck steering wheel is supposed to be? But then we have this in the BMW. Oh, I think it's the camera's angle. But look, everything's like facing up. Even the infotainment and all that stuff is facing up. So I think it's the camera's angle. Okay. Not that I would do a better job at taking the photo, but yeah. So these are supposedly leaked photos. I'm not really sure about them. But okay, I feel like these are the legitimately leaked photos. You know why? Because it's a coupe. There is no red door, and the M4 is a coupe. The new grill. The new grill. I don't know. Tell me what you think down below, man, and make sure you subscribe. By the way, make sure you subscribe. I know, guys, it's free. Subscribing is free. You don't need to pay for it or anything. So yeah, please subscribe, guys. Oh, why is this so low quality? And why does this have an M3 badge? What is this? Isn't this a legitimate car website? It is. Car magazine. But look what they're doing. Okay, respire on the road. Hey. This M4 is... I don't know. Compared to the old M4, I think... What are they doing? At the end, I'm going to put a photo of this league and the previous generation M4 and tell me which one you like better. Okay, the thingy, what you call it, the cabriolet, or is it the cabriolet? But I think it is. Those kidney grills, that's how big it actually is. They're trying to hide it. I want to see the back of this cabriolet. They don't show us the bit. What? It's not an M4, it's an M8. M850 or M8 comp. It's not an M4. I feel like these guys don't know what they're doing, man. If you want to see a video on the M850, click up on the right, by the way. M4 M4 CS, the previous version. Oh, this car. I just like the CS lights. Look at that. Just like the CS lights. The previous M4. Great. Why are they putting the previous M4's pictures? This video wasn't meant for the previous M4, but okay, let's just talk about it. See, the thing I like about the previous M4 is everything. Okay, we can pause now. Yes. No. Is this supposed to be the M4? Look at the lights. I prefer the previous lights, guys, to be honest. I don't prefer the cabriolet lights. I don't know what's up. Mercedes. Not Mercedes. BMW. What are we talking about, y'all? What are these? These red two thingies. Imagine those at the back of your car. And then now we're getting other cars. I wanted the M4, not other cars. Okay, thankfully that's all. The M4. I'm gonna put up a picture of the normal M4 right here, and you guys tell me which front looks better. Which front grille actually looks better. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it, man. And make sure you subscribe. It helps me a lot. Make sure you subscribe. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave it down in the comments. Tell me what I can improve on. You know, everyone can improve you in life. Okay, make sure you subscribe, guys. And make sure you subscribe. Are you subscribed? Probably? No? Yes? Yes. Okay, you subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and that's all from me. For more news, go on to my channel, subscribe and watch. For more car reviews, go on my channel. And yeah, that's all for me today. Thank you.